How humans slowed erosion at Niagara Falls. Niagara Falls is one of the most famous waterfalls in the world. Millions of gallons of water rush over the edge every minute. That powerful water doesn't just look and sound amazing, it also changes the land. For thousands of years, rushing water has slowly worn away rock underneath the waterfall, a process called erosion. Erosion is when water, ice, or wind wear away rock or soil. In fact, before any modern engineering, the falls eroded more than 3 feet annually and steadily moved the edge upriver. Why did people want to slow erosion? By the early 1900s, people became worried. If erosion continued at the same speed, Niagara Falls might not look the same, or one day might even disappear far into the river. People cared about Niagara Falls for 2 big reasons. It is a beautiful natural wonder that people travel from all over the world to see. It can make electricity. The fast-moving water can spin machines called turbines to make hydroelectric, which is electricity made from moving water, power, which gives electricity to homes and buildings. People wanted to keep the waterfall safe while still using it to make power. How humans slowed down erosion. Scientists and engineers worked together to find ways to protect the falls. They used 3 main solutions. Number 1, hydroelectric power plants. Some river water is sent through tunnels to spin turbines that make electricity. Because some water is used in power plants, instead of going over the edge, the water hits the rocks with less force. Less force equals slower erosion. Number 2, flow control gates. Dams and gates were built to control how much water goes over the falls. During the day, more water is sent over the falls so tourists can see its full power. At night or in winter, less water flows, which helps protect the rocks from breaking. Rock stabilization. Engineers noticed that large rocks near the falls were cracking. In 1969, the American Falls were even turned off for a few months so scientists could study the rock. They added support to weak areas to keep big chunks from falling. A journey through time. Since the end of the last ice age, around 12,000 years ago, Niagara Falls has migrated approximately 7 miles or 11 kilometers from its original location near Queenstown, Ontario, leaving behind the Niagara Gorge as evidence of its long journey. Why this matters? Thanks to these changes, erosion has slowed from 3 feet per year to about a foot every 10 years today, which is a dramatic reduction. Niagara Falls is still powerful and beautiful. People can make clean electricity without destroying the environment. Scientists continue to watch the falls to make sure they stay safe.